if you want to go anywhere and you are talking in English, then they will see you from a different eyes, and it's too much eye-catching, I think.
Yes, yes, yes.
And also it's also helpful for our academic purposes, and also if we are going want to go to abroad, and it's too much important for our IELTS examination, because in IELTS we must have to have the good comments in
Yes,
English.
yes.
They will check everything so much fluently.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
Alhamdulillah. What about you?
I'm also fine. Can you tell me about one thing that I wanna know from
If
you?
I know, I will tell.
Okay.
What?
Today I wanna know about from you that the importance of learning English. Can you describe me about that?
I can describe little bit.
Okay, just tell me.
If you learn English, you can get a good job. You can admit in good college, and if you learn English, if you wanna go abroad for higher study, then you can then it's too much good for you, and then it is an international language, and when in this modern web we should learn English, because all where we need to learn English, all where we need to speak English good, more than good.
Yeah,
About something.
I think the importance of learning English is too much to describe. Like, if you wanna get a good job, you must have to have a good comment in English, and also as it is our international language, we must have to have a very good comment in English, because if you want to go anywhere and you are talking in English, then they will see you from a different eyes, and it's too much eye-catching, I think.
Yes, yes, yes.
And also it's also helpful for our academic purposes, and also if we are want to go to abroad, and it's too much important for our IELTS examination, because in IELTS we must have to have the good comments in
Yes,
English.
yes.
They will check everything so much fluently. So that's why I think English is too much necessary for us. And from other perspective, if I wanna say, if you do higher studies, you must have to have a good comment in that.
I want to go abroad for higher study.
Yeah, then you have to be so much fluent, I think.
Okay, I will try. And what you wanna be in your future?
I wanna be an English lecturer. So for that reason, I am trying to.
That's why you also learn English more and more.
Yeah, because English is too much necessary for us, and most of the people are oversighting it. So we should not do this, because English is too necessary for us. It's good, it's easy, but if we are thinking that it's too much easy, then if we are not giving any attention, then we will not be able to learn it properly.
Wow, your English fluency is too much
No,
good.
I am trying a little bit, because before coming here, I wasn't able to talk so fluently. But English therapy is giving me such kinds of confidence that I can talk fluently, and they are showing me that I have confidence to show.
Why the English therapy different from other institutions? Can you tell
I
me?
think from others institution, if I wanna say, in the other institution that I have experienced, there they will focus in our grammar parts too much, and they will teach you the grammars a lot, but they will not focus that much in speaking. But speaking is also so much important for us. I think from that side, English therapy is different.
Oh, that's why I admitted here.
Okay.
And I complete my 2 months. Now I am in third
Do
month.
you wanna give any suggestion to anyone to come here?
Yes, I will give my relatives. I will give my cousin. My cousins also want to learn English, and I told them to admit in English therapy, because English therapy is different from other institution. That's why.
Okay.
And
So the overall matter is importance of learning English is too much.
yes. For our survivement, we should learn English.
Yes, it's true.
That's
it. Thank you so much.
okay. Thank you so much also, because correct information.
Yeah, for your correct information that I wanted to know. Thank you.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.